What's going on, guys? Rob from ClicksGeek. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we get 50% plus landing page conversion rates and how you can do exactly the same thing as us. All right, guys, what you're looking at is inside a live Google Ads account for a client. This is in the junk car space, and I'm going to show you this insanity of conversion rate. So if you see here, we have some just quick stats. I'm not going to go through all these because these are all basic stuff, but look at this conversion rate, right? 55.85%, 167 leads, $15.81 a lead. And that is the last 30 days, which is November 29th to December 28th, 2022. 55% conversion rate, right? So I'm going to go through and I'm going to show you their ads first, and then I'm going to go and take you to the landing page and show you why all this works, and we're going to tie it all together. So make sure you keep watching this video because by the end, you're going to know exactly how to make these pages for yourself. Okay, so the first thing to understand about getting these 50% plus conversion rates is it's not all the landing page, all right? It's also the ad. And this is really important to understand. It's called message match. You have to have the same message going through from the ad to the landing page. Because if there's a mismatch and you're saying something in the ad and that's not presented on the landing page, you're going to have big problems. Because people are promised one thing, they're getting taken to a page, and they're not talking about that, what they were promised at all. And they're going to bounce right off the page immediately. So the first aspect of having this high conversion rate is message match. It's one of the most important things you have to have with Google Ads. All right. So if we're looking at our ad here, you'll see what we're talking about. This guy sells junk cars. We buy junk cars. Sell your junk car fast. Same day cash for cars. Then we tell them, they have to have a title, any make, model, or condition. So we're just hitting them in the ad copy with everything, every bullet point our client offers that we're going to rehash on the landing page, right? So you're going to use the headlines as your call to actions. These are your strong, we pay top dollar for junk cars. Get an instant online offer, right? Get a cash offer 24/7, no strings. We pick up and pay cash on the spot. Fast, easy process. So you can kind of see where we're going with this, right? So we have our ad. We have our pitch here. This is our pitch. Next, we're going to go to landing page and see if that matches up. So here's what you're looking at right now. This is a 55% conversion rate landing page in the junk car space. Do you notice what I'm talking about that we just talked about message match right here, right here, right here, right here, right here. So as soon as they come to our landing page from our ad, we're hitting them with something they're familiar with. What we promised, we're delivering right here. Then we're saying, hey, if you want a cash offer, fill out this form and we'll give you a cash offer. Call this number up here. We'll give you a cash offer. 2-step process. Call, get a cash offer. Types of vehicles we take. Call to action. About the company. Another call to action here. And then we have pictures of just junk cars that are just stock photos right now. They're not even anything. And then our company name down here. So obviously I had to blur this out, but this is all these pages are. And this isn't just junk car. This is every single. Doesn't matter what niche you're in. As long as your message match is on point, you're going to have high conversion rates. That's all it is, guys. The page, this is an ugly page. Ugly converts. Ugly works. I don't care. It's not a vanity thing. And I try to explain it to clients when they come on. They're like, oh, well, the color of this, and I want to change color. It doesn't matter. Do you want leads or do you not want leads? In the end, that's why you're running ads. Who cares about what a color is? Well, I want to keep on messaging with my brand. That's great. I understand that. And we can do that most of the time. But for the most part, if you have something that converts at 55%, you should not care what color or what the logo looks like or what any of that stuff. It's irrelevant. Take the phone calls, close the deals, make money. That's why we're all running Google Ads. And this is how you do it. Message match and convey that on a very neatly laid out landing page that explains exactly why they're here and and how to solve their problem. That's all it is, guys. That's all you got to do. So keep watching. They're about to have a recommended video pop up any second now, and it's going to be one from us, and it's called Google Ads Landing Page Split Testing to Increase Conversion Rates. Wow, that is a mouthful of a title, but it's a great video that Ed made, and I think you guys are going to dig this, so make sure you stay tuned and check this out. It should be popping up any second right now.